Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Contract Simplified, your space for decoding complex legal concepts with ease. I am Advocate Kritika and together we will turn tricky legal scenarios into interview winning answers in this series of legal interview question and answer. Now let's dive straight into today's question. A third party challenges the validity of an electronic signature on a contract. How do you defend it? So let's understand the tip for answering this question. Start by showcasing evidence based validation, link it to the legal framework, and end with a clear enforceability position. So the model answer would be I would retrieve the digital signature audit trial from the e signature platform, example DocSign, verify the signer identity, IP address, timestamp, and certificate validity. Refer to the IT Act 2000, India, or EIDAS regulation, EU, to establish enforceability. Present it as a valid electronic execution unless the law requires physical signing for the contract type. That's just one way to tackle the scenario. There could be even better answers out there. Share your take in the comment section. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Let's grow and learn together. See you in the next episode.